Dear students, Namaste. Let us start with a new chapter, MSW Logo. MSW Logo is a computer language. Language means we can communicate by giving instruction to the computer with the help of MSW Logo. You can give commands and the computer is going to draw the figure or it can write text depending on the command or the instruction you write with MSW Logo. MSW Logo will be the first step in programming. So let us start a journey of programming with the help of MSW Logo. In this chapter, we are going to learn how to start MSW Logo, and of course I will show you how to install MSW Logo, then how to use basic MSW Logo commands and how to exit MSW Logo. Dear students, how are you? Have you understood my question? Why you have understood my question? Because you know the English language. If I talk with you in some other language, can you understand? I'm sure you can't. Similarly, if we want to talk or communicate with computer, we should know the language that computer can understand. Computer don't understand English language or any other language like Hindi, Assamese, Bengali, Marathi, etc. Computer understands only computer language. MSW Logo is an example of a very simple computer language. So we are going to learn the commands and how to write the commands in MSW Logo so that we can communicate with the computer and we can draw figures, we can write text, and also we can perform some calculations. Let us see the MSW Logo, how to work with it. Logo is the computer language used to draw figures, do simple calculations, and to type text. Logo uses a pen for writing and drawing on a logo screen. This pen is known as turtle. A turtle understands and follows logo commands only. Let us see the figure. The logo turtle. It has two parts, head and tail. The pointed upper part is called the head and the flat lower part is called the tail. Let's start MSW Logo. So now I'm going to show you how to open MSW Logo. Click on the Start button and in Windows 10 you'll get this type of screen, but in Windows 7 you are going to get a particular Start menu. In that Start menu, click on Programs and then in the Program menu try to find Microsoft Windows Logo. Here I found Microsoft Windows Logo. Click on it and then you'll find Microsoft Windows Logo icon. Click on this icon. You'll get this type of screen about MSW Logo. Click on OK. Now you are going to see a Microsoft Windows Logo screen. Now it have a menu bar, file menu, bitmap, jet, set, zoom. I will show you the use of this later on. Below the menu bar is the main screen window or the graphic window, and below that is the commander window. In main screen window or the main screen is the area where you can draw pictures. The logo turtle moves on the screen. The logo turtle, that is a triangle shape as is shown here, is at the center of the screen. This is also known as its home position. Next, let us come to the commander window. Commander window have again two parts. One is the input box, the smaller one at the bottom, and the above one is the recall list box. In input box, we are going to type commands. Say for example, I am typing command FD40. Now you can either press enter key or you can click on execute. Let me press on enter key. See, as soon as I press enter key, the command that I have typed here is placed in the recall list box, and the turtle has moved and have drawn a line. So we'll see that in detail about the different commands that we are going to have in MSW logo. Again discuss about the main screen and the commander window. Main screen. It is the area where you can draw pictures. The logo turtle moves on the screen. Commander window. It is the area where you can type commands. It has two parts. The input box. You type command and press enter key to make the turtle move in this input box. The recall list box. The command you type and enter will be placed in the recall list box so that you know what commands you have entered. If you enter the wrong command, it will show you the error message. Now we are going to see MSW logo commands. When you start MSW logo, the turtle is at the home position, that is center of the screen. We can use simple commands to move the turtle around on the screen. MSW logo commands can be divided into following groups depending on the use. These groups I had made so that it is easier to learn. First, move commands. It consists of forward or FD command, back or BK command, and home command. Next is turn commands. It consists of right or RT command, left or LT command. Next is clear commands, clear screen or CS command, and clear text or CT command. Next is set of display commands, that is hide turtle ST command and show turtle ST command. And the last one is exit command, that is by command. We will see the use of these later on. Move commands. First, forward command. It is used to move the turtle in the forward direction by the number of steps given. The short form is FD. Example, FD40. We have seen earlier as I have typed FD40, what happened? The turtle moved forward by 40 steps or 40 units in the direction of its head and have drawn a straight line. Next is back command. It is used to move the turtle in the backward direction by the number of steps given. The short form is BK. We usually write the short form in the input box to save time. Example, BK40. This command will move the turtle backward by 40 steps in the direction of its tail and draw a straight line. We will see practically the working of these commands. Move commands. Next is the home. This command brings the turtle to the center of the screen, also called the home position, by drawing a line as it moves to the center of the screen. See the figure here. First we have typed FD60, turtle moves forward by 60 steps. Next RT90, that means the turtle will turn 90 degree. We will see this later on. Next is FD60 command I have given or we have given. The turtle moves 60 steps forward. Once home command is pressed, the turtle will come to its home position wherever it is. Now in this case it was after FD60, so it is coming back and forming a triangle. Right command. It is used to turn the head of the turtle towards right side by given angle. The short form is RT. Example, RT90. This command will turn the turtle to the right by 90 degree. So let us see the figure here. That is the top figure. Here the turtle is at its home position. As soon as the RT90 is pressed, the turtle turns 90 degree towards right. That is, it is 1/4. Next is left command. It is used to turn the head of the turtle towards left side by given angle. The short form is LT. Example, LT90. This command will turn the turtle to the left side by 90 degrees. You can see the figure here. The turtle head turns to the left side by 90 degrees. So the turtle turns towards left by 1/4. In this class 3, we are going to restrict ourselves to 90 degree only. We will not see any other degree because it will confuse you. Now let me show you how to use the move commands, that is FD, BK and home command, and the set of turn commands, that is RT and LT. So let me type first click on the input box, then type FD60, press enter key. Now you have seen the turtle has moved forward by 60 steps and have drawn a line. Now let me give the command RT space 90, enter. Either you can press enter or click on execute. The enter is the easiest option, so I am pressing enter key. So my turtle has turned 90 degree right hand side, that is a quarter off to the right side. Now let me type the command bk 60. What happened? What will happen? The turtle will come backward by 60 steps. See, press enter. So turtle came back by 60 steps. Now let me give the LT space 90. Space means it represents space bar. That is the longest bar on the keyboard. And press enter. So the turtle has turned left side by 90 degree. Now I'm tapping command FD says 70. Press enter. So it has moved by 70 steps forward. Now I am pressing the home command, HME home, press enter. What happened? The turtle has came back to its home position by drawing a line. I hope you have understood all the sets of commands that we've used. You can see the recall list box to draw this figure. Say FD 60, RT 90, BK 60, LT 90, FD 70 and home. I hope you understood. You can practice this. Clear commands. Clear screen CS. It erases the drawing on the main screen. After figure is erased on the main screen, the turtle will come back to its home position. See the diagram before using the CS command and after using the CS command. We'll see it practically. Next, clear text or CT command. It erases the command or contents of recall list box. See the recall list box having a set of commands. Now after applying the CT command, the recall list box is clear or the commands have been erased. We are going to see practically the use of CT command. Now I'm going to show you how to use the clear commands. So with the help of clear command, that is the CS and CT, let's see what happened. Let me click on the input box and type CS. See what happens. CS means clear the screen. So it should clear the main screen. Whatever is drawn on the main screen will be cleared. So press enter key. Oh, it is gone. And the turtle is not at the center of the screen. If the turtle is somewhere else on the main screen, after clearing the screen, that is after erasing whatever is drawn on the screen, the turtle will come back to its home position, that is the center of the main screen. Now let me type ct command, ct clear text. It is going to clear the text in the recall list box. See, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 set of commands. As soon as I press enter, all the commands will be erased and you'll see a blank recall list box. So let me enter. So you're seeing what happened. The recall list box is cleaned or erased. So the CS and cd command is used to clean. CS is used to clear the screen and cd is used to clear the recall list box. Display commands. Hide turtle or HT command. It is used to hide a turtle on the main screen. It is used so that we can see the clear view of the drawing on the main screen. That is, the turtle will not be shown along with the drawing. Next is show turtle or ST command. It is used to display the turtle back on the main screen. Exit command. We can exit MSW logo in the following two ways. First, type buy in the input box and press the enter key or the execute button. Second, on the menu bar, click on file. A list of options will be displayed and then click on exit to exit MSW logo. Let us see how we can do this. Okay, let us do the activity in the lab in page number 77. I'm going to use the on-screen keyboard to show how to use the keyboard. I'm going to type here the same way you type in your keyboard. You don't have to open on-screen keyboard. Now let me click on input box. Now you type in a keyboard as I'm typing in this on-screen keyboard. FD. Now you can see the input box. FD has been typed. Now I have to say, I said space. Space means you have to press this space bar. Then you type, it says 100. So I'm typing 100 and then press enter key. So it has moved forward by 100 steps. Next it says RT90. So RT space 90. Press enter key. Then it says FD space 100. Press enter key. Now the next command is BK 200. Enter. Now here we have seen that first earlier there was a FD100, there is a line drawn. Again it has gone back drawing over the same line. But here the line, the overdrawn line will not be darker. Now I am going to use hide command. Hide turtle. HT. Now see, this turtle is not making the figure very impressive or it is not looking good. So I'm going to use the HT command and press enter. Now you see, you've seen the turtle is gone and figure look nice. So that is the use of the HT command. Now I am pressing the CS, clear screen, press enter. Now I don't know where the turtle is. So to know where the turtle is, I am giving the command as T, enter. So the turtle is on the center of the screen. I hope you have understood the use of the show turtle st and high turtle ht command. And the last one is by command by. If I press enter, the particular logo will be closed, or you can go to file and then exit. Both are same. So let me type by and let me press enter key. See what happens. Why does not? Okay. Now selected, now I am pressing enter key. See, it has gone. So in this way we can use the MSW logo and we can work with it. For practice, I have given you 3 sets of commands. You can pause the video and you can try each set of the command in the MSW logo screen. Type each set in the input box and see the output. All these will give you the same figure. Okay, all the best. Best students, I hope you have understood. Practice the commands at home in a computer, that is desktop or laptop. In the next class, I'm going to show you how we can draw figures with the logo command without the help of computer. First, you practice in computer, let your basic concept be clear, and in the next class, we'll see how to draw without the help of the computer. So dear students, this is the end of our class for today. Thanks. Have a nice time. Bye. See you in the next class.